The self-confidence evidently is important. You can feel immediately if a sales advisor, a retail person, is a self-confident or not, or if this person is a very self-confident. How this comes from? Let's take the car as example, a driving activity. Is it enough to just have experience and have a lot of driving years or experience? No, because if you drive a lot, but if you don't learn the techniques, how to drive nicely, how to master the roads and the code, and even better, if you know how a car functions, you even can be a very, very good driver. Yeah, you can drive, but being excellent requires more than just experience. You need first to know the method, how this works, the mechanics, even better, and the techniques of the handle of a car. That is essential. Then, with experience, you are able to practice what is good to know. Then everything becomes natural. Then experience here help, because experience is a lot of practices of the good practices. Experience without good practices is experience that is not helping to create at least excellence. You can drive, but you may not be an excellent driver. So excellence comes from mastering the basics, the theory, the techniques, and with experience, this excellence comes and gives to sales advisor this self-confidence. Being self-confident, it means you can go to any road, you can drive in any situations, you feel good, you feel at ease, you feel peaceful, you feel good. Then you are clear in your mind and you are able to use all the time, all the energy, all the intelligence to build this relation rather than looking at the road, looking at the code. So this is a principle of self-confidence in selling, in retail skills.